the ball, then just give me pocket dribble. Pocket dribble. Right here. Okay? Ready? Guys, step on 3 and 4. Wait. That's right. So guys, third dribble, you're gonna do a pocket. So it goes like this. 1 pound, second pound on the third. Ball goes to your pocket. At the same time, you're gonna toss the med ball on the third dribble. Okay. Speed, ball, make sure yung poise is there, like this.
Oh, I missed the ball.
Training the brain. We're gonna add a leg tap. So same pattern, 1, 2, on the third ball goes to your pocket. 1, 2, 3, then leg tap. Leg tap. Light tap only, ah. Make sure not too hard. We're working on your hand speed. At the same time, we're training your brain. Chest in. It's easier for you guys to protect the ball. Last time, boys. Light tap. So same pattern, pound, pocket, then cross-handed change. Pound, pocket, then handed change cross. Ready? Handed change. Okay, we're going to toss the ball. So it goes like this. No more pocket. Okay, ready? Toss then snatch. Toss then snatch. There it is. Time. Okay? We're gonna do hand speed. Okay? So pound, slam the med ball, then cross tap, grab. This, make sure off hand is always active. Okay. We call this leg flips para lang in preparation for our shooting later. Okay? So, just do this. Ball taps, then leg flips. Susunod go. Ball taps. Well, let's go. More speed. Go, last 5. Your focus, there are 3 different colors, green, red, and blue. So we're going to label each color. So if it turns green cross. Okay? If it goes red, you go through the legs. Right. Okay? And blue behind. So it goes like this. Okay? I start with my open stance. We call this open stance. Okay? So pound. I will activate my open. Blue behind. Then we put 2 balls. Let's go. Go, last 10. Two behind. You have to tap it like. Last 8. That's it. Instead of doing 1 move, we're going to do 2. So if turns green, cross. Red, through. So we stay in one side.
Through or through?
That's through under. So we call this through or between the legs. This one we call it under. So what I want is like this. last 10. Stop. Yan. Stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. 1, 2, 3, stop. Through. Go, last 10. 5. Get ready, Michael. Let's go, boys. Go, last 12. Quick. Time. 3-1. Basketball, we call this drop. Okay, I know you guys know drop. Okay, but I'll give you the details. Okay, so pattern ng rhythm of 3. 1 pound, second pound on the third. Ball goes to my pocket. I split my feet like this. But guys, as you can see, this foot is flare out like this. Why? Because here's the defender leg. Okay, so I want my momentum of my force to be here. So once I do my drop, I don't do this. Because my momentum is going here. So I want you to flare out your leg like this. So I'm gonna use this med ball to force your shoulder to go low. So I'll do it full speed. 1, 2, drop, please. 1, 2, drop. The burst of speed you cannot do because you're too wide. You understand? If you become too skinny, there's no balance. So dito na siguro edge ng drill mat. So like this. Para yung slope like that. Because if you go too wide, you cannot do it. 1. Nice one. Not too wide. 1. Not too wide. You're becoming too wide. Just place it like that. Place it like that. Okay, time. Don't go too skinny. I want you somewhere here. Okay? Because that's the proper base or the average base of a player. You understand? To place this properly. Okay? So every time you do this, Val and Michael, give me the ball. Every time you do this, it means you're out of control. You don't have the 100% control of your body. So what we want, look at me boys, what we want, place it. The way I want you to place it. I want poise. Okay, so we'll progress it to drop, step in. Okay, so I go drop, then step in through. Foot replacement. So 3 footwork. First is the drop, second footwork is the step in, then foot replacement, I'll go back in the middle. So I'll do it one more time. We want discipline. Okay, we want footwork discipline. Like this. Foot replacement, whenever your feet goes under your shoulder, we call that foot replacement. Yan! Go, drop. This time, we call this inside leg, outside leg. So we're going to enhance your inside step. So I'm going to place the ripstick here so that my inside leg, I'm going to step my inside leg like this. Okay? So watch me guys. I start here because I do a step in, drop, step in through. Instead of doing foot replacement, I go speed stop. Okay? Yeah, we call that speed stop. So speed stop is like this. Inside leg, outside leg. Then done. Okay? You see? You kick the ripstick. In real game, it's not realistic because you cannot do that. It's going to knee. Okay? What we want is to be aware of the space. So like this, drop, step it through, boom. So you have to really swing your step. Go, give me a drop, step in, there you go. Then go back. Instead of doing speed stop, you say speed stop, it means you're going to pick up the ball. So this time I'm going to do a hand exchange stop, meaning I won't pick up the ball, I will exchange the ball to go to the other side. Okay, so I'll do a behind the back. So we call this hand exchange behind. So same thing. Drop, step in through. Uninitiate behind. Then this footwork we call this toe replacement. Then do it one more time.
You want to just throw?
What I want you to do, it's a subtle steps. It's like you're doing a chop chop or cha cha. Like turning. The cross. That's a repeat. There you go. Red, trap step in, either you shoot or attack left. It's up to you. Okay, but I want you to do a trap step in. Then green, for example, green, just do a trap and poke. Okay? That's 130. There you go. Press upward. Press upward. Okay, so green from drag punch, drag position to foot replacement into shot. That's green. Okay? Then we're gonna do a single leg replacement to slide step. So drag, single leg replacement to slide step. That's red. Okay? So green is like this, green, foot replacement. Red, pound, single leg replacement to slide step into shot. Then blue, we're just gonna do a foot switch. Okay, so foot switch is like this. Drag, that's blue. Like and drop your body forward. So from here, look guys. Drop your body. We're not doing situational, we're doing situational. We call this situational. Nice one. So green inside the paint. Okay, blue is
Green layers.
yeah, inside the paint. Blue here, red here. So any move. Now free flow with the ball. Okay?